Mary's smile radiated as she gently placed her hand on her growing baby bump, feeling the fluttering movements within. "They seem extra lively today," she joyfully remarked it to her husband, glancing at the calendar. She noticed it marked a special occasion, the International Day of the Unborn Child. Originating in 2008 from the efforts of anti-abortion groups, this annual event, celebrated on March 25th, sought to honor and emphasize the intrinsic value of prenatal life. It emerged as a response to the prevailing notion that early fetal development was merely tissue, disregarding the profound humanity taking shape. As evening fell, Mary eagerly attended an art display organized by a local pregnancy center. Held in commemoration of this meaningful day, ultrasound images adorned the wall, unveiling the miraculous intricacies of tiny limbs and delicate fingers at various stages of development. Each captured detail evoked a sense of quiet awe, reminding everyone present of the extraordinary beginnings woven within the womb. The story shared by families who had experienced the heartache of miscarriage or neonatal loss stirred deep chords of empathy within Mary's heart. Through their narratives, she discovered the existence of practical and emotional support networks available to women facing challenging pregnancies. This newfound knowledge led her to reflect on the precious gift of life growing within her, while acknowledging the struggles faced by others who were not as fortunate. In the gentle twilight, Mary's heart overflowed with gratitude. Regardless of the philosophical debates that might divide opinions on such matters, on this particular evening, she simply cherished the stunning sensations of her unborn child as a blessed testament to the incredible journey about to unfold. Some gifts surpass the limitations of words, requiring patience, wonder, and unwavering care. Regardless of the duration of each stage, with each passing moment, Mary's anticipation grew, and her anticipation for the miracle of life deepened. The International Day of the Unborn Child held a profound significance, reminding her to treasure each precious kick and flutter as a testament to the boundless potential and delicate beauty inherent in each new life. As Mary embarked on this transformative path of motherhood, she vowed to nurture her child's spirit, honoring the sanctity of their existence and embracing the infinite possibilities that lay ahead. March 25th is International Day of the Unborn Child. Here is a painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Day of the Unborn Child. Cheers!